David Vizard is widely respected for his expertise in engine building, where precision and methodical techniques are key to achieving optimal performance. His principles, though rooted in automotive engineering, offer valuable guidance for anyone working with carbide burrs and metalworking. By adapting Vizard's focus on accuracy, tool selection, and consistent technique, both beginners and seasoned professionals can improve their results. These foundational concepts help ensure cleaner cuts, greater control, and longer tool life, making them relevant across all skill levels. Integrating Vizard's approach transforms routine metalwork into a more refined and efficient process. Carbide burrs are essential tools in metalworking, designed for tasks such as shaping, deburring, and smoothing metal surfaces. Their versatility allows them to be used across a wide range of materials and applications, from automotive repairs to precision engineering. Employing professional techniques when using carbide burrs is crucial, as it ensures cleaner cuts, reduces the risk of damaging the workpiece, and extends the life of the tool. By understanding the proper use and maintenance of carbide burrs, both beginners and experienced metalworkers can achieve superior results and improve overall efficiency in their projects. Precision and control are fundamental when working with carbide burrs. Maintaining a steady hand and making deliberate, careful movements ensures that material is removed exactly where intended. This approach not only achieves the desired result, but also helps prevent accidental damage to the workpiece. By focusing on accuracy, you set the foundation for high-quality craftsmanship and consistent outcomes in every project. Improving hand stability and control is essential when working with carbide burrs. Start by using a firm yet relaxed grip, which helps minimize fatigue and allows for precise movements. Position your hands so that your fingers support the tool close to the working end, giving you greater control over the burr's direction. Maintain a comfortable posture, keeping your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight, which reduces strain and enhances steadiness. For added accuracy, consider bracing your hand or forearm against a solid surface, ensuring consistent and controlled material removal. Selecting the optimal carbide burr for each job is essential to achieving precise and efficient results. Different burr shapes and sizes are designed for specific applications. For example, cylindrical burrs excel at finishing flat surfaces, while ball-shaped burrs are ideal for creating concave cuts. Flame-shaped burrs are commonly used for contouring and shaping, and pointed burrs are perfect for accessing tight corners or intricate details. By matching the burr type to the task, you ensure smoother finishes and reduce the risk of damaging your workpiece. Selecting the right burr geometry is essential for achieving optimal results in metalworking projects. Cylindrical burrs are best suited for finishing flat surfaces and creating straight edges, offering precision and control. Ball-shaped burrs excel at making concave cuts and contouring, allowing for smooth transitions in curved areas. Specialty burrs, such as flame or oval shapes, are designed for tasks like deburring tight spaces or sculpting intricate details. By matching the burr shape to the specific requirements of your project, you can ensure efficient material removal and a high-quality finish. Maintaining consistent speed and feed rates is essential when working with carbide burrs. Operating at the recommended RPMs ensures that the tool cuts efficiently, reducing unnecessary wear and extending its lifespan. For example, burrs with diameters between 1/4 and 1/2 inch perform best at around 22,000 revolutions per minute. Keeping a steady feed rate also prevents overheating and helps achieve a smoother finish on the workpiece. By following these guidelines, you can maximize both efficiency and tool longevity in your metalworking projects. Setting the correct grinder speed is essential for achieving optimal results with carbide burrs. For smaller burrs, such as those with a 1/4 inch diameter, operating at speeds around 22,000 RPM is recommended to ensure efficient material removal and a smooth finish. Larger burrs, like those measuring 1/2 inch, perform best at slightly lower speeds, typically between 15,000 and 20,000 RPM. Maintaining these RPM ranges helps prevent excessive wear on the tool and reduces the risk of damaging the workpiece. Always consult manufacturer guidelines and regularly check your grinder settings to ensure consistent performance and safety. Applying light pressure when using carbide burrs is essential for achieving optimal results. By allowing the tool to do the work, you minimize the risk of gouging the material and ensure a smoother, more controlled finish. Excessive force can lead to uneven cuts and premature wear on both the burr and the workpiece. Maintaining a gentle touch not only preserves the integrity of the material, but also extends the lifespan of your tools. This principle, adapted from expert engine assembly techniques, highlights the importance of finesse over brute strength in metalworking. Applying the right amount of pressure is key when working with carbide burrs. Excessive force can lead to gouging, uneven surfaces, and premature tool wear. Instead, let the burr do the work by using light, consistent pressure. Signs of too much force include slowed tool rotation, increased vibration, and visible damage to the workpiece. By maintaining gentle contact, you achieve smoother finishes and extend the life of your tools. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring that carbide burrs deliver consistent performance and enjoy a longer lifespan. Keeping these tools clean and sharp prevents buildup and wear, which can negatively impact their cutting efficiency. By routinely inspecting and maintaining your burrs, you minimize the risk of unexpected tool failure and achieve smoother, more precise results. This practice not only enhances productivity, but also protects your investment in quality metalworking tools. Proper maintenance of carbide burrs is essential for ensuring their longevity and performance. Begin by inspecting the burrs for signs of wear, such as dull edges or chipped flutes, which can affect cutting efficiency. Cleaning the burrs after each use removes metal shavings and debris, preventing buildup that could hinder their effectiveness. For sharpening, use specialized diamond files or grinding stones to carefully restore the cutting edges without altering the burr's shape. Regularly following these routines helps maintain optimal tool performance and delivers more precise results in your metalworking projects. When working with carbide burrs, several common mistakes can hinder both beginners and experienced professionals. One frequent error is applying excessive pressure, which can lead to gouging the material and reduce the quality of the finish. Using the wrong burr shape or size for the task is another pitfall, often resulting in inefficient material removal or unintended damage. Operating the tool at incorrect speeds can cause premature wear or even breakage, so it's important to follow manufacturer recommendations. Finally, neglecting regular maintenance, such as cleaning and inspecting burrs, can compromise performance and shorten tool lifespan. Adopting the 5 golden rules for using carbide burrs can significantly improve outcomes for metalworkers at any skill level. By focusing on precision and control, you ensure accurate material removal and minimize mistakes. Selecting the right tool for each task, maintaining consistent speed, and applying light pressure all contribute to cleaner cuts and longer tool life. Regular maintenance keeps your burrs sharp and reliable, further enhancing performance. Integrating these habits not only streamlines your workflow, but also leads to more professional and satisfying results, whether you're just starting out or have years of experience. Applying these professional techniques to your own projects can make a noticeable difference in both the quality and efficiency of your work. By practicing precision, choosing the right tools, and maintaining proper speed and pressure, you set yourself up for cleaner cuts and more reliable results. Remember, continuous practice and learning are key to mastering these skills. As you gain experience, you'll find your confidence and craftsmanship improving with each project. Embracing these principles ensures that every step you take brings you closer to expert-level metalworking.